You have built the store, you have run the ads, you have optimized the website. Maybe you are even generating consistent sales. So why does scaling still feel harder than it should? The truth is, many e-commerce brands don't fail because they lack effort or basic knowledge. They stall because the strategies that help them get early traction stop working at scale. In this video, we are breaking down why experienced e-commerce brands still struggle to scale even after doing everything right. Number one is they keep chasing more traffic instead of fixing core conversion issues. One of the most common mistakes established brands make is assuming growth problems are traffic problems. Sales flatten, and the response is, we need more ad spend, we need TikTok ads, we need influencer campaigns. But if your conversion systems are weak, more traffic only magnifies inefficiency. For example, a brand spending $20,000 per month on ads may blame traffic when sales plateau, but the real issue might be that their product pages are generic, their offer is unclear, or checkout friction is causing drop-off. Scaling traffic into a weak funnel doesn't create growth, it just burns budget faster. The second problem is they focus on acquisition while neglecting retention. Many e-commerce brands become obsessed with acquiring new customers. Every meeting is about CSE, ROAS, new creatives, new traffic channels, but profitable scaling depends heavily on retention. For example, a supplement brand may spend aggressively to acquire customers, but if buyers never reorder after the first bottle, profitability erodes fast. Or a skincare brand may generate strong sales first time, yet lose repeat purchases because there is no follow-up email strategy, subscription offer, or loyalty incentive. Without retention system, brands are constantly repurchasing the same revenue. Third is the businesses underestimate the impact of customer experience. Many brands treat customer experience as secondary once the transaction is complete. The order ships, the product arrives, technically the job is done, but average experiences don't create memorable brands. For example, company receiving a product in a plain mailer with no inserts, no presentation, and no branded touch points versus an intentional unboxing experience that feels premium and shareable. The difference impacts repeat purchase likelihood, brand perception, referral behavior, social sharing. In crowded categories, experience often becomes the differentiator. The fourth mistake is that the businesses rely too heavily on discounts to drive growth. Discounting can increase sales quickly, but over time it creates dependency. For example, if your store runs 20% off every other weekend, customers stop buying at full price. Eventually, margins shrink, promotions lose urgency, brand value declines, customers become price trained. If your sales disappear when discount stops, you are not scaling, you are subsidizing demand. Another mistake businesses make is they confuse activity with strategy. Many experienced operators stay busy but aren't solving the real problem. They're constantly testing headlines, tweaking button colors, launching new ad creatives, rebuilding landing pages, but sometimes the issue isn't technical. For example, a brand selling a highly commoditized product in a saturated niche may struggle to scale, not because their ads are weak, but because the market sees them as interchangeable. No amount of CRO testing fixes poor differentiation. Sometimes the issue is positioning, not execution. The sixth mistake is that operations can't support their growth goals. Some brands hit operational ceilings before demand ceilings. They can generate sales, but back-end limitations prevent sustainable scaling. For example, a brand doubles ad spend during a successful campaign, then experiences stockouts within days, fulfillment delays, customer support tickets piling up, negative reviews due to shipping issues. Revenue may spike temporarily, but operational strain damages long-term growth. Scaling magnifies back-end weaknesses. So in the end, I would like to summarize, if your e-commerce brand has traction but scaling still feels harder than expected, the issue may not be effort. It may be that you have outgrown the tactics that you got here. Because scaling an e-commerce business isn't just about driving more traffic. It's about strengthening conversion systems, retention infrastructure, customer experience, positioning, operations. The brands that scale aren't simply the ones that market better. They are the ones that better businesses behind the scenes. If your brand is stuck in that plateau phase, ask yourselves, are we trying to scale traffic or are we actually scaling the business? Because those are two very different things.